Hey guys, Eric at Prestige Motorsports. If you're an engine lover like we are, you got to check this out. So right now we have approximately 20 different blocks in our shop right now. We just wanted to give you an idea of the type of work that we do, the variety that we can offer you for all of your builds, whether it's just a basic street motor or something completely custom that fits your style in your vehicle. So just a quick run through here. We have some LS Next blocks. This one happens to be a Pro version. The LS Next has a couple of different options. The Pro version is a bit different material, a little bit higher strength qualities. Also comes with main studs, so this is great for power adder series, things like that. We have some World products, the Merlin block. These are 351 based blocks. We use a ton of these for our 427 Super Street Series engines. Great block, awesome performance out of that 427. We have another LS Next block here. We even have some Mopar 360 small block Mopar blocks. We do a lot of the 408 small block Mopars based on the 360. Great little hot rod motor for your early Mopar vehicles. We have a Shelby FE aluminum block. Again, we do, I'm always blown away at the amount of these that we sell. The FE block is still going strong. We love the Shelby block here. This is our go-to block for those builds. Some more LS. We got the big block. These are the Merlin blocks. Couple different versions here. You can see we have one with steel main caps. Again, this is great for your power adder series if you're running nitrous, turbocharger, something like that. With the steel caps, great option. If you're not looking for all-out performance, they also have a cast version as well, nodular iron caps. Still very strong, great block from World Products there. Got another one up here in the Decker. A couple of Dart SHB. These are the 302 base. 363 Ford. Awesome engine for your small block Ford needs. Nice compact build. These blocks will handle some power adders if you want. Nitrous, superchargers, turbochargers, whatever you have. Dart has a great lineup of their Ford blocks there. Again, more LS. LS is a very popular build, as you all know, right now, so we do a ton of the LS stuff. And these ones here, again, another LS, and then even a small block Chevrolet. This is the little M block from Dart. Again, 427 Chevy, small block platform. Great little hot rod engine for whether you're just cruising on the street, you're taking it to the drag strip on the weekends. Again, Dart produces a great product there for the small block Chevy. Also, I mean, we have a couple of big block Hemis, all aluminum blocks. They're on the dock coming in today. We have another small block Ford Shelby aluminum block coming in. So again, just a variety that we can offer. Anything that you need for your vehicle, for your project, we can build it. Go to our website, prestigemoto.com. If you don't see what you want there, call us, 704-782-7170. We can put together an estimate. We can get you exactly what you're looking for your vehicle project.